So hi everyone, I hope you have had a great INICET exam. So I'm just recording this video after the examination. So I hope you had a great session over there. So now you're all set for NEET PG, all prepped up, ready to fire. But I think two small changes can greatly affect your result. The first being you have to give every examination, for example, every mock test, grand test between 9 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. Why? Because within this period you need to acclimatize your brain to work at the 100% capacity, and it is not going to be an easy task. I have seen so many students being batman है ना, रात को पूरे दिन पढ़ाई करते हैं, then they sleep in the day. So you are not, it is not going to happen in a day's time. Your brain will need some time to accommodate itself, to acclimatize, and for that you need to start practicing all the examination between 9 and 12:30 p.m. But this is just the exam thing. Now when you are going into the actual examination, what do you need to do? You need to wake up at 6 o'clock. You need to make sure that you start from your home around 7:15, 7:30. Let's assume that your exam center is like an hour away from you. So that means your brain needs to know that it has to wake up at 6 o'clock and be ready at 9 o'clock to give the examination. So don't do this thing of waking up at 8:30 and then giving the examination at 9. That is something fake. You have to start waking up at 6 o'clock, because on the day of the examination, your brain needs a 3-hour buffer to actually start working on it. So it's a very small thing, but nobody is going to tell you that. So start waking up at 6 o'clock. Imagine yourself, do this as an experiment. Wake up tomorrow at 6 o'clock. You will feel fuzzy throughout the day. So do not use this chance as the last day strategy. No, my friend, you need time to make your brain accommodate to the new settings. So every exam between 9 to 12:30 p.m. and you have to start waking up at 6 o'clock, because that is what is going to happen on the Qayamat ka din. Second, start giving grand tests, all the mock tests while wearing the face shield, the mask and everything. It is not going to be an easy task when you do this thing in the exam, because it is very uncomfortable. All right, and I know many of you are COVID warriors, salute to you, but for the normal students, going through 3.5-hour examination with all the stuff, it is not going to be easy. Don't make this a thing that will cost you your seat. That is what I am worried about. So these are the two small changes that can greatly affect your examination, and of course they can be the ones who can make or break your dream seat. So that's me, Nachiket Bhatia. I hope this thing helps you out. Best of luck and chak de fatte.